Greetings everyone. Hi. Today I'd like to discuss with you a very interesting topic from grade 11, integration by parts. The main formula in order to find indefinite integral using method of integration by parts is here given in our screen. In order to find integral which is given by two functions, one of them u and another one is dv, v also is a function, so we have to use this formula. But however, it's too difficult for many pupils to choose what is here in our given example u and what is dv. And that's why, in order to find and clarify what is u and what is dv, we will look with you today a very interesting method which is called LIATE. LIATE. What does mean this method? First I'd like to underline that there are always exceptions, but these are generally helpful methods. So LIATE, very good method. So here L means logarithmic functions, and I means inverse trigonometric functions. Also A here means means algebraic functions. A means algebraic functions. So let me write it. A algebraic functions. T means trigonometric functions. T means trigonometric, let me be short, functions. E means exponential functions. So this method states that choose u to be the function that comes first in the list of this word. So if we have logarithmic function, we choose it for u. If we have logarithmic and also inverse trigonometric function, for u we use logarithmic because L comes before then I. That's why we use first L, then A, then I, then A, then T, then E. A very interesting method. Let us solve some examples using this method. Okay, our first example is find indefinite integral x to the fifth power ln of x dx. So if we see here ln of x is logarithmic function and x to the fifth power is an algebraic function. That's why according to LIATE, L comes before then A. That's why we use for u logarithmic function ln of x, and the rest of factors here, x to the fifth power multiplied to d of x, let it be d of v. So from here we should find v from the second equality, and from the first we have to find du. In order to find du, we take differentiation from both sides, and we have du equals to d ln of x, which means 1 over x dx. And in order to find the v, let us take integral from both sides of the second equality. So we have v equals to x to the 6th power over 6. Now we simply apply this formula, main formula, and put to the, instead of u, its value. So we have here ln of x multiplied to v. Instead of v, we put what? X to the 6th power over 6. Yeah. Then minus integral of what? v d of u. v we have x to the 6th power over 6 multiplied to our du equals to what? 1 over x dx. So from here we find that our integral will be x to the 6th power over 6 multiplied to ln of x, minus, we reduce simply x and x to the 6th power, so we have x to the 5th power, and 1 over 6 is as coefficient. I may take it out from integral sign, and then x to the 5th powers integral equals to x to the 6th power over 6 plus what? Plus c. That's all. We may simplify the last terms. So we have x to the 6th power over 6 multiplied to ln of x minus x to the 6th power over 36 plus x. That's all. This we see that this method is very helpful and very useful. We try to show for you other examples later after this example. See you soon. Goodbye.